Gallium nitride chargers. What a revelation. Since their emergence, they managed to become small, then even smaller, then a little stronger and a little smaller, and that's pretty much it. This is NUCLEUS. It's a universal GaN charger. It's also a hub. They also connect. Together, they're a POWERHUB that's just the most. It's the most tiny, like smaller than a credit card tiny, like fit in your pocket tiny. It's also strong, 85 watts and 93% efficiency. That means that no more than 7% of power is lost to heat. This efficiency is what allows us for a decrease in size. Other chargers usually have only 80% efficiency. According to math, that's less.
Math!
Yeah, so most tiny, powerful charger. With all these ports, it's also the most tiny and credible hub. Our unique 4K HDMI port allows you to extend your notebook screen to a flat screen TV. And it can do this. So instead of this, there's this. That's so the most future. It's a GaN charger, so it charges fast, real fast. And with 85 watts and the POWERHUB, it can charge and transfer data from all of this together. It also has worldwide compatibility thanks to snap-on adapters, so it's also the most wherever you take it. It's made from high-end materials, friendly thanks to minimizing power loss, and it's pretty damn good looking. It's made by One Adapter, a science and design company focused on the business and leisure travel lifestyles. They already made quite a few crowd-loved universal adapters and chargers. Now, they made NUCLEUS. With so much power and versatility, NUCLEUS is definitely the most good. Nah, we don't want to say we're the best, we're just the most good. So if you want a charger that's the fastest, smallest, and most versatile, get NUCLEUS. It's the most great choice.
Meet MagEasy, the world's first everyday essentials carrying and organizing kit. With the board, the folio, and the magnetic modules, MagEasy helps you easily organize, rearrange, and transport most used items. The board, it's a desktop organizer. You can put note, scissors, earphones, keys, pencil, even a phone into a vertical display. Keep your desktop neat and organized, and still have quick access to your stuff. The board can be folded up like a paper and easily stored in any drawer. The folio, it's a transportation organizer. To simplify your daily out-the-door routine, store all your everyday necessities, drafts, passport, wallet, Metro card on the go. And you can slip it into the bag for an orderly and safe transition. The best part? All the magnetic modules can be used separately. As a cable tie, a business card case, a fridge magnet, and more. MagEasy helps you stay organized, productive, and achieve more in life. Back us now.
How many devices do you need to charge every day? Your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and probably your earphones too. However, try and charge them all at the same time, and this happens. Don't worry, you have a wireless charger. It's very convenient. However, this happens. Unfortunately, they're not as reliable as you think. Introducing the Pitaka Air OMNI, the ultimate charging station for the whole Apple family. Powerful. It charges all of your devices simultaneously in an efficient, stylish, and simple way, regardless of whether it's a phone, tablet, earbuds, Apple Watch, or even your Apple TV controller. All of them can be charged efficiently in this compact space, keeping your table neat and tidy. Versatile. Whether wired or wirelessly, portrait or landscape, flat or docked, the versatile design allows you to charge your devices in the most convenient way for you. No need to sacrifice reliability for convenience. The MFI charging module ensures the safety and quality levels established by Apple. The chain-coiled transmitter layout technology means that you can put your device anywhere on the pad, and wireless charging starts immediately. Thanks to the patented mechanical design, the Lightning and USB-C terminal can be adapted to whatever device you have with a single click in seconds. The terminal rises or descends simply by adjusting the foldable stand. On the go, power up all your gear during your next adventure, or share the power with your friends. Crafted with luxurious aramid fiber, aesthetically pleasing like a work of art, demonstrating the beauty of minimalism. And that's not all. A secret drawer is located on the side, allowing you to store small accessories when you need to. This is the Air OMNI, the ultimate charging platform for Apple users everywhere.
It's no secret that plastic pollution has become a crisis we can no longer ignore. Every day, over 60 million plastic water bottles are being thrown away, with only an average of 9% of them actually being recycled. Our mission at Monarch is to improve the way you carry by creating the most responsible, sustainable, and super functional everyday bag. Introducing the all-new SETTRA series bag, a premium all-in-one everyday carry, gym duffel, and travel backpack. Each bag is engineered with durable, water-resistant, global recycled standard rPET fabric made from 50 recycled plastic bottles. The SETTRA series everyday duffel pack has been meticulously and thoughtfully designed for commuting, traveling, hiking, and going to the gym. We used water-resistant, non-separating coated zipper coils to make the bag more weatherproof for unpredictable conditions. We've integrated multiple access pockets and low-pro zipper pockets for various storage needs, including a tech pocket and a shoe compartment with ventilation. Our multi-purpose strap design allows you to switch from duffel to backpack in a matter of seconds for hands-free travel. The comfort padded shoulder strap is instantly removable when switching carry functions. Simply pull the backpack straps from the hidden compartment and attach to corresponding D-rings. Use the adjustable sternum strap for added stabilization. Along with the everyday duffel pack, we've created compact and modular added inserts to make your bag even more functional, incorporating 2 compression packs to allow you to condense and arrange your clothes for travel, a camera and lens gear case with divided inserts to protect and organize your equipment, and a tech pack to keep all of your cords, drives, chargers, and other digital tackle in order. The Monarch SETTRA series is backed by lifetime warranty and the power to make a difference. Please share and support our campaign so you too can be part of our journey to divert plastic waste from our oceans and landfills into long-lasting sustainable products. Here's to our future.
Hello Kickstarter, we are Harmattan Design. You might know us because of the Smart Belt and our 45,000 backers. What we do well is take everyday items like belts and radically improve them in ways you couldn't imagine before. Now, we take on the wallet. We are proud to present the Smart Wallet. All your things in one incredibly minimal package. No more bulk, just efficiency and a new level of freedom. All your cards, cash, IDs, and magnetic cards in one place. You won't even feel it. Extra freedom every day. It adds up. This is probably your old wallet. The contents are just 10% of the bulk, the rest is your old wallet itself. Our Smart Wallet is no larger and no thicker than it needs to be, yet it carries the same. Thanks to the elastic band, it also carries anything else you can think of. The middle compartment is magnetically shielded, so no one can steal your card info. The outer pockets are not shielded, so you can use a magnetic card or credit card without taking it out. The Smart Wallet also comes with a pull tab, so you can access your cards easily. Because we like our products to be full of features, we're also including a stainless multi-tool and a key clip so that the Smart Wallet becomes a powerhouse of usability. Screwdriver, knife edge, bottle opener, ruler, 6 wrench sizes, angle indicator, saw blade, and can opener. That's 13 features you can take with you for zero effort. You can also use the aluminum clip to attach your keys or the smart wallet to anything else. One other thing we're known for, aside from innovation, is quality. We use the most expensive leather in the world and handcrafting for the best results. Many claim to use vegetable tanned leather, but they don't. It's too expensive. False claims are far cheaper. We are authorized and audited by the Consortium of Vegetable Tanning. We are issued a certificate and serial number for each product, so that you can be sure that the leather is vegetable tanned in one of the handful of tanneries in the world that still do it. With 8 different colors and finishes, you can match it to anything. If you are one of the 45,000 smart belt owners, you'll have a smart wallet to match. We've been slowly making smart wallets by hand since autumn 2019, so we can ship in July with worldwide friendly shipping. We're also veterans of crowdfunding, with 5 campaigns shipped on time, and our satisfaction surveys have us at 96% happy backers. Get yourself a smart wallet. Lose the unnecessary bulk. Simplify your everyday and get a little bit of extra freedom each day. It really adds up. Last but not least, have a look at our happy backers and their smart belts.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show that these are the best belts that you could get out there in the market. Just go for it. Don't think, get it.
So I got my belt about 6 months ago and I love this thing. One of the things I love is that there's been no wear and tear on my belt, which has always been my biggest problem. And the other is just how easy it is to adjust it. I find myself, when I'm sitting down, I'll loosen it up a little bit. When I stand up, I can give it a good snug adjustment. It's super easy. I love this thing.
Hi everyone, I've been wearing my Smart Belt 2.0 since the Kickstarter and I love it. It fits perfect and the quality is great. Pick one up.
It's not easy to find a belt that matches your illustrious blue beard, but Smart Belt delivers. It's easy to put on and I like it a lot and I want more, so please make more in different colors, even though blue is amazing. Thank you.
What I like about Smart Belt 2, innovative buckles, fine Italian leathers, multiple colors, and just pure performance and convenience.
Hello everybody, the Smart Belt 2.0 is the best belt I ever had because it fits.
Hi, Smart Belt 2.0. This belt is infinitely adjustable and super comfortable no matter how thick the pants you're wearing, if you're wearing a t-shirt, if you're wearing dress clothes or casual clothes, this is a great belt.
Previously, I'm having difficulty to find a nice belt for me because sometimes I lose weight, sometimes I gain weight. With this Smart Belt 2.0, solve all my problems.
Smart Belt 2.0, great leather and easy to use.
Hi, I'm wearing the Smart Belt and this is actually one of the absolute smartest belts you can ever have. It's easy to take off and it's also so easy to put on. I love this click. As you know, I mean, you can have different sizes during the day or during the night. I've used it a lot. It holds on perfectly. Perfect fit every time. I just love it.
This is my Smart Belt 2.0, which I got almost half a year ago, and since then I wore him almost every day. I'm still happy with the quality and the functionality, and a bit sad that I haven't bought one more.
Belt, ever since I got it a couple of months ago, it shows no signs of wear or tear, and it's really easy and comfortable to use. You just put it on and you zip it shut. My only regret is that I didn't get to buy more of the belts because they had some really nice models. So I'm looking forward for the Smart Belt 3.0. Cheers.
About this belt, I don't need to buy any more belts. They're so nice and durable.